Yes, check. I'm waiting. No response. Ekansh Malav, check. Or Ekansh, yes. Ekansh, can you tell me left side, these two terms, what should be the integration? Exactly. Tan inverse V. And what we should do for second one? Multiply and divide by 2. And then it will become, bilkul, because denominator derivative, now it has 2V, now it has been present in numerator. So log of denominator, f dash upon f case it is. And log x plus c. I think this is integrated. Now v value can be substituted because y equal to vx it was. So it means v equal to y upon x. So let me put the value of v, which is y upon x, everywhere. So tan inverse y upon x minus half log 1 plus y square upon x square equal to log x plus c. Okay, I think we can take LCM here, and this way we can simplify. So it will become tan inverse y upon x minus log x square plus y square, minus half. And here log a minus log b is log a upon b. That I am going to do. So minus minus plus half, because outside it was minus sign. So minus minus plus half log x square equal to log x plus c. Right, and very easily you can see that half log x square, if you 2 you bring here, 2 upon 2 cancel, it's nothing but log x. So this log x get cancelled with the right hand side log x, and here I receive my final answer, which is tan inverse y upon x minus half log x square plus y square. Students, please check and someone tell that this is right or not. So this is the final answer. Please check someone and tell whether this is right or not. Good. Yes. So this was probably third question, right, students? Now please move towards the next question. Uh, Somebody, Divyansh Kumar, will you read? Divyansh from A section, will you read? Divyansh Chaudhary, sorry, from A section. No? Divyansh from A section. Will you read the next question? Probably, probably fourth question. Hmm. 1 minute. मैं इसको क्लियर कर रहा हूँ, है ना? आई होप सभी ने कर लिया होगा. Yes. Divyansh, can you repeat? क्या किया जाए सबसे पहले? Divyansh, your suggestion? What should be done first? मैं पहले dy अपॉन dx निकाल लेता हूँ, है ना? उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या करना है. एक टर्म को उधर शिफ्ट कर रहा हूँ. dy upon dx shifting that side. आ गया मेरा dy upon dx इक्वल्स टू दिस माइनस को मैं इसमें मिक्स कर देता हूँ, y स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर अपॉन 2xy. Right. So first of all, I have to prove that this is homogeneous differential equation. है ना, students? So let us prove that this is homogeneous. First, two methods we have seen in previous question. So we can use the third one. Let it be fxy. Let. Then third method is that f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to lambda raised to power n fxy. So let me find f of lambda x comma lambda y. करना क्या है? करना कुछ नहीं है, बस यहाँ पे fxy जो है उसमें x की जगह पे lambda x रखना है and y is to be replaced with lambda y, and let us see what will happen? So y I am going to replace with lambda y whole square as it is रहेगा, x की जगह पे lambda x whole square as it is, whole upon 2 as it is, x के प्लेस में lambda x और y के प्लेस में lambda y. अब करना क्या है, अब मुझे इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है और लैम्डा पूरी तरह डिटैच हो जाना चाहिए. दूसरे शब्दों में लैम्डा शुड कम कॉमन. ठीक है, बट आई कैन सी हियर दैट लैम्डा विल बी actually cancelled completely because here lambda square will come common and this inside the bracket you'll get y square minus x square whole upon here 2 lambda square xy. Lambda square get cancelled and what remains is nothing but f of x comma y. So f of lambda x comma lambda y is equal to f of x comma y, so that's why it is homogeneous differential equation. So it is HDE, right? Now to solve it, I have to put y equals to vx and dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx. ठीक है, तो चलिए पुट कर देते हैं यहाँ पर. So मेरी इक्वेशन में dy upon dx will become disappeared and it will become in place of dy upon dx x v plus x dv upon dx will appear equal to, in the right hand side y will become disappeared and in place of y vx will come whole square as it is whole upon 2 x as it is and in place of y vx will come. Correct. Students, I hope you can see x square common and can be cancelled with denominator x square. So this will become v square minus 1 whole upon 2v equals to v plus x dv upon dx. Correct. तो आपको ध्यान होगा previous questions में that after simplifying we try to separate the variables. तो वही यहाँ पे भी मैं ट्राई करने की कोशिश करूंगा कि v एक साइड में और बाकी सारे टर्म्स जो है वो दूसरी साइड में. तो चलिए इस v को राइट हैंड साइड में शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. Yes, so this will become v, sorry v मैं उधर शिफ्ट कर रहा हूं. So x dv upon dx will become equal to v square minus 1 whole upon 2v minus v. Let us take LCM and this will become minus 1 minus v square whole upon 2v. Separate the variables. So 2v upon 1 plus v square equal to minus dx upon x. ठीक है, माइनस मैंने कॉमन ले लिया, ऐसे बोल सकते हो. ओके, और माइनस को राइट हैंड साइड में ही रखा और ये इधर. नाउ लेट अस इंटीग्रेट and quite same like previous question, the 2v upon v 1 plus v square, this is f dash upon f case, so this will become log of denominator, log of 1 plus v square equal to minus log x plus c. राइट, दैट्स इट. मैं इंटीग्रेट कर चुका हूं, मैं बस v की जगह पे y अपॉन x लिखने जा रहा हूं. ये लीजिए, माइनस लॉग एक्स को भी मैं लेफ्ट में ले लेता हूं. सो लॉग एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर होल अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर और log a plus log b log ab, so into x it will become, and when two logs were there, let us put the third constant also as log so that I can remove the log from both the sides. Now remove log from both the sides. You should not cancel it. It is not in multiply. Actually we are taking anti-log, right? Inverse function we are taking. So do not cancel it. It is not being cancelled. You're just taking the inverse function. So removing the log from both the sides, and this will be the final answer. So final answer is x square plus y square equal to cx. Huh? So you can check it, students. Astha Gothi, will you read the next question? Fifth, Astha. आस्था आस्था ये वाला समझ में आया? फोर्थ वाला नोटबुक पे लिख रहे हैं? वेरी गुड. फिफ्थ. And other students also pay attention and suggest me what we should do in this. बोलो आस्था. ओके. आस्था तुम ही बताओ क्या करा जाए पहला स्टेप. आस्था और एनीवन एल्स इन दिस क्लास, कोई भी बताए मुझे कि सबसे पहले क्या किया जाए. ये सारे क्वेश्चन में एक पैटर्न है, हम सबसे पहले एक ही काम करते हैं. टेल मी समवन. बोलो स्टूडेंट्स. Neha is writing a message that divide by x. Is it? So divide by x square perhaps she wants to write. Okay. x square, हाँ. Divide by x square both the sides. तो बिल्कुल, because मुझे जो इक्वेशन चाहिए वो dy upon dx equal to something फॉर्म में चाहिए, तो मुझे इसका मल्टीप्लायर नहीं चाहिए. हटाओ इसको. dy upon dx equal to 1 minus 2 y square upon x square plus y upon x, है ना. x square से डिवाइड किया है. ठीक है, बिल्कुल एक लाइन में डिक्लेयर करूंगा. बिकॉज सिंस RHS is purely a function of y upon x, hence it is a homogeneous differential equation. HDE it is. Right. तो एक लाइन में मैंने प्रूव कर दिया कि this is HDE. Now to solve it, the same method. Let y equal to Vx and dy upon dx equal to v into 1 plus x dv upon dx. Okay. So let us make the substitution. The equation will become v plus x dv upon dx equal to 1 minus 2 v square x square upon x square. Okay. Plus vx upon x. X get cancelled and I can see v also get cancelled from both the sides, and equation will become x dv upon dx equal to 1 minus 2v square. Very easily it is separable. dv upon 1 minus 2v square equal to dx upon x. Integral both the sides plus c. Can someone tell me that how to integrate it? Can anyone tell that how to integrate it in the class? Left side how to integrate it? Anyone from C section? Anyone from C section? Can someone tell that how to integrate it? The left hand side? No one. Rajvi, Hitesh, Hema, Gracie. Hitesh Kumar. I hope, I know you can tell. Hitesh, are you listening me? Hitesh. Left. 1 minute ले लिया. 2 कॉमन ले रहा हूं, ले लिया. तो मुझे मिलेगा dv अपॉन 1 की जगह बन जाएगा 1/2 माइनस v स्क्वायर. ठीक है. फिर नेक्स्ट हितेश. बताओ क्या होता है? व्हाट इज दैट फॉर्मूला? इंटीग्रल dv अपॉन a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर. टेल मी हितेश, टेल मी. Plus c. This is the formula. So let us apply. You are absolutely right, Hitesh. So let us apply half log a plus x, half plus v upon half minus v equal to, and as previous question that when two log were there, constant also let us take in terms of log c equal to log cx. So now y के जगह पे मैं पुट करने जा रहा हूँ y v की जगह पे मैं पुट करने जा रहा हूँ v equals to y upon x. So this will become half को मैं right hand side में shift करता हूँ log half plus y upon half minus y upon x, and this will become log 2 log cx. So there is no harm in sending this 2 in exponent as exponent. So this will become log c square x square, and the left hand side will become log LCM. What should be LCM? 2x. Get cancelled. X plus 2y whole upon x minus 2y. 2x get cancelled from both the sides. Remove the log, take anti-log from both the sides, and it will become x plus 2y upon. Hitesh, check the answer and tell me, is this right? Equal to c square x square. No simplification possible. This is final answer. Hitesh, can you tell me, is this right? हाँ, तुमने पहले नहीं बताया. हाँ, तुम देखते रहे लेकिन तुमने पहले नहीं बताया. नो प्रॉब्लम, मैं भी करेक्ट करता हूँ. √2 आएगा. ओके. Now it should be right. Check students and tell me, is this right answer? Hmm? क्या चीज? मल्टीप्लीकेशन में 1/2a होता है. Okay, that also that also I missed. 1/2a, and a is 1/√2. This also I missed. So 1/2√2 it will remain. तो 2√2 को तो हम बेहतर है कि ऐसे ही रखा जाए, है ना. उसको एक्सपोनेंट में भेज के कोई हम ये बहुत ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल नहीं दिखेगा. इज दिस राइट आंसर? चेक स्टूडेंट्स, इज दिस राइट आंसर? Final exactly matching, or if any mismatch is there, minute mismatch is there? Correct है? Okay, let us move towards the next. Correct. Okay. Devyanshi from class A. Devyanshi, will you read the next question, please? Hmm. Right. Looking just quite same like previous questions. Can you read the next to it? Seventh one. Hmm. I am skipping the sixth one for you people. Seventh, please read. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. Keep reading. All right. Hmm. 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 Whole bracket into x dy. Okay. This is the equation. Devanshi, you only tell me that how to proceed. What should be my first task? Devanshi, what should be my first task? We do the same. बिल्कुल यही काम हम सभी क्वेश्चंस में कर रहे हैं. This work we are doing in each and every question of this exercise. So let us bring dy upon x. This is my dy, this is dx. Let us exchange the sides. X cos y upon x plus y sin y upon x into y. Okay, this term I'm keeping in left, and this bracket and x I'm bringing in denominator. So y sin y upon x minus x cos y upon x into x and equals to dy upon dx. Now uh, uh, now I have to prove that this is homogeneous. So to prove homogeneousness, I am going to divide up and down numerator and denominator with x. So dividing by x, and this will give me cos y upon x plus this will become y upon x sin y upon x into y whole upon y upon x sin y upon x minus x we have divided, so x will be removed, cos y upon x. And this upon x I am going to mix with this y upon x. This is now same line, that since this right hand side is purely a function of y upon x, so it is homogeneous differential equation, HDE. So now to solve it, let us try to put dy upon dx. Let us substitute. Let us write y as vx. Okay. Yes. यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ. Now let y equal to vx. This will give me dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx. Let us putting in the equation. Then this equation will become v plus x dv upon dx equal to cos vx upon x plus vx upon x sin vx upon x, okay, into y is vx upon x whole upon vx upon x into sin vx upon x minus cos vx upon x. Okay, so here x get cancelled everywhere, and this becomes cos v plus v sin v into v whole upon v sin v minus cos v. Right. Now let us shift this v term, because now I have to separate the variable. This is containing completely v. This v also let us shift on the right hand side. Yes. So this will become x dv upon dx equal to v cos v plus v square sin v whole upon v sin v minus cos v minus v. Now taking LCM, so it will become x dv upon dx equal to v cos v plus v square sin v minus v square sin v plus v cos v whole upon v sin v minus v cos v, minus, sorry, cos v, right? Now v square sin v get cancelled and it remains v cos v, 2v cos v whole upon v sin v minus cos v. Separate the variables and it becomes this whole entire term bringing in left side. So v sin v minus cos v whole upon 2v cos v, or better 2 I'm keeping on that side only, equal to 2 dx upon x. Now let us integrate both the sides. What should we do to integrate the left hand side? Any suggestion, students? What should we do to integrate the left hand side? F dash upon f, is it? Denominator derivative will be v into minus sin. हाँ एक मिनट में जरा डिनोमिनेटर डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करता हूँ. v cos v, if I differentiate, I will get minus v sin v plus cos v. This I'll get, है ना? So this denominator is derivative. Is this present in numerator? Minus का फर्क है. So minus out, and then f dash upon f case it will become, है ना? Then f dash upon f case it will become. आपको अगर नहीं ऐसे guess हुआ कि it is f dash upon f, I think making two terms should also work here. Okay, but now it will be easily integrable. This will be log of denominator minus log denominator v cos v equal to the c also let us keep in terms of log c 2 in on that side, and it will become log c x square. Okay, minus taking in exponent, so log v की जगह पे y upon x cos y upon x, okay, whole power minus 1 equal to log cx square. Now remove log from both the sides and simplify it further. So this log I am removing, x upon y sec y upon x है ना, whole power minus 1 था, equal to cx square. One x get cancelled and sec y upon x equal to cx, and one y from left hand side will come cxy. This is my final answer. Students, please check and tell me, is this right? Students, my dears, please check, is this right? Huh? Please check, students. And moving towards the next question, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. 8th, 9th and 10th, any one we can take. You suggest which one? Students, out of 8th, 9th, 10th, any one we can take. 10th, let us see, because x upon y is appearing. Varsha Poswali, will you read the next question? 10th. One minute. Yes, 10th. Multiplied with 1 minus, okay. Yes, check. I have written correct on the board. Check. Okay, now let us solve it. Dy upon dx, first of all I have to find out. So one term I am shifting on the right hand side. 1 plus e to power x upon y dx equal to minus e to power x upon y into 1 minus x upon y dy. Okay, Now let us find dy upon dx value. So dy upon dx equal to 1 plus e to power x upon y whole upon e to power x upon y into 1 minus x upon y. Okay, this is minus also is there. Now you can say purely a function of y upon x, hence HDE. Right? Easily you can prove x upon y. So purely a function of x upon y. So hence it is HDE. Now to solve it, students, if you put y equal to vx, then it will become 1 upon v. है ना? So in fraction it will come. So better here that interchange between x and y in our method. So here to solve, substituting x equal to vy will be better, and then dx upon dy will be v into y with respect to y will be 1 plus y as it is into dv upon dy. Okay, so you understand why we have done, because x upon y is there. So if I put y equal to vx, 1 upon v will come, which will create further more complexities. Of course, that also will be a way to solve, right? I think answer will come from that also, right? But I think this will be shorter. So what I am going to do, I am going to inverse it. Then I'll make the substitution. Dx upon dy equal to minus e to power x upon y into 1 minus x upon y whole upon 1 plus e to power x upon y. Now make this substitution. So this will give me dx upon dy will be replaced with v plus y dx upon dv upon dy equal to, and let me write here. So this will become v plus y dv upon dy equals to minus e to power v, x is put as vy, so v into 1 minus v whole upon 1 plus e to power v. So now separating the variables, bringing on the left and taking LCM, this get cancelled, and separating the variables, right? Now let us separate the variables. So this will become 1 plus e to power v upon v plus e to power v equal to minus dy upon y. Now it is easily integrable. Left side you can see the f dash upon f case it is. 1 plus e to power v will be the derivative. So log of denominator. C also let us take in terms of log. V was x upon y. And remove the log from both the sides, and here I get my final answer. Throughout we can multiply with y. This is completed. I request you all, my dear students, to get it, to understand it, and if you have doubts, problems, then please leave your messages clear with me. I'll feel happy, and thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
सर वो अटेंडेंस
Yes, if somebody has been left, can tell me quickly.
Sir, roll number 2.
सर
Roll
रोल
number.
नंबर 15
No, just name you tell instead of roll number.
सर दिव्यांश शर्मा
I will mark Divyansh.
Sir,
Anyone
Adit
else?
Tomar.
Aditi Tomar. Okay.
Sir
Anyone
Mohit
else?
Sharma.
Mohit Sharma.
Mohit.
Okay, next.
The
Anyone else?
Chanchal.
Sanchal. Okay.
Chanchal.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone
Kushi
else?
Lodhi.
Khushi Lodhi. Anyone else? No one. Thank you. Bye bye.